a B&W Bowers & Wilkins ASW 2000. I bought this in 1999. Okay, you've heard enough. I think that's where the rattling comes out. I'm gonna open this, try to see what's inside. This is the hex. Let's start opening it. Of course, I already unplugged everything. Remove it from power source. I'm gonna put this here. This is how the screw looks like. There. There's the inside. There, I'm gonna remove it. There, it's not. See. Just remember, the red is on top. It's hard. Let's see. I'm not gonna remove this anymore. I'm having difficulty. This is kind of open already. See that? I think it has to be glued. Look. There's nothing in here that is loose. If I glued this, and I don't know if I should, it lessens the sound. Pretend this is glued. See, but if it's not, see, I'm gonna remove it. Hold. That's it. See, there's a marking. See that, the brown thingy, there's a marking. So I found this glue. It's Tight Bond Premium. I use this in my wood stuff. Okay, let's do it. I have to be careful not putting a glue inside. In the bottom, I'm gonna extend the wire. See, it's folded. And I'm gonna remove the foam from the clip. Okay, that one. Remove this. See this? This is folded. Yeah, good. There. Lay it like this. I'm gonna need a coffee stirrer. That would help. Okay, I think that completes it. Press it. Let's see what it says here. 24 hours, 30 minutes. I gave it a day. I have no time to put it back after 30 minutes. So let's assemble it. Cushion. Okay. Put everything the way it was before. Okay, everything is tight and in place. Let's do the manual test. No more sound. Okay, let's put it to the test. Now I put the grill.